If we go back to the secret animal kingdom, he'll follow us.
But that's where the seed belongs.
I know.
So, the last guardian still stands.
I've never seen the Keeper use his true power.
Good. You're finally taking me seriously.
Keeper, the roots!
He was never fighting me. He was breaking the sanctuary. Go.
I'm not leaving you.
Every path leads to me.
Why does he want me?
He is not chasing you because you carry the seed. He is chasing you because the seed chose you.
Why me?
To answer that, you must first learn how the first guardian fell.
It's beautiful.
Long before kingdoms, before hunters, before darkness, there was only the great tree. That was the beginning of the Great War.
They knew. The darkness had finally arrived.
One guardian against an entire army?
That was the one who brought war to our world. The tree could not survive, but the light could. The guardian understood.
They gave everything to protect this?
For centuries, the seed waited until it found you. When the first guardian gave up their life, the light refused to belong to anyone.
So it was hiding?
It was waiting. Many wanted its power.
It was waiting for someone.
Someone who would protect others before protecting themselves. Perhaps it wasn't only waiting for a guardian. Perhaps it was waiting for you. You believe your journey began when you found the seed. It began long before that. Every guardian you met was watching you, even the great gorilla. The seed did not choose you because you found it. It chose you because every guardian before it already had. Now, there is only one place left where the truth can be completed. The elder lion has been waiting. The secret animal kingdom is no longer hidden. The darkness knows where to find it.
Then we're already too late.
Not yet. But we have no time left. The elder lion waits here. Only he can awaken the seed completely. He has found us.
Run!
The journey home has finally begun.